Here everyone, welcome back to the channel. This series is all about practical, fast LIMS troubleshooting to keep our operations running smoothly. Today, we're tackling a frustrating but common roadblock, the URL not working issue. Let's get to the fix right now. Step 1. The very first thing you need to do is identify the problematic website link. This is the URL of the LIMS page or system that's causing trouble. Copy this entire link to your clipboard. You'll need it in the next few steps. Step 2. Look for the 3 horizontal dots in the top right corner of the window. This is the main menu icon. Click the 3 dots. From the drop-down menu, find and click on Settings. Step 3. On the left-hand navigation pane in the Settings window, click on Default Browser. The main panel, scroll down until you see the section titled Internet Explorer Compatibility. Step 4. Under Internet Explorer Compatibility, find the subsection called Internet Explorer Mode Pages. You will see a button that says Add a Page. Click on this Add a Page button. A small box will appear. Paste the problematic link that you copied in Step 1 into this field. Finally, click Add. And that's it. The link is now added to the Internet Explorer mode list. What this does is tell Microsoft Edge to automatically open this specific LIMS link using the legacy IE rendering engine for the next 30 days, resolving your compatibility issue. Now, open a new tab and navigate to that link again. To confirm the fix, look at the address bar. You should see the small Internet Explorer icon appear on the left side. Click the Internet Explorer icon in the address bar to open the settings pop-up. Inside this pop-up, confirm that the toggle for Open this page in Compatibility View is set to On. Also, confirm that the toggle for Open this page in Internet Explorer mode next time is set to On to ensure the fix is permanent. Now, try accessing your LIMS system again. It should load correctly. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech troubleshooting tips.